between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price February 16, 2021, current price $1.23, $1.20. DFFN is overvalued compared to its price of $1.24 per share, has below average safety, and is currently rated a hold. Recommendation: Rec Hold Rec reflects the cumulative effect of all the VectorVest parameters working together. These parameters are designed to help investors buy safe, undervalued stocks, rising in price. Value at current price: $1.24 current value, $0.42. DFFN has a current value of 42 cents per share, compared to a price of $1.24 per share. This stock is currently overvalued. Value is computed from forecasted earnings per share, forecasted earnings growth, profitability, interest, and inflation rates. Upside potential: relative value RVPOORRV is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. DFFN has an RV of 0.54, which is poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. This indicator is far superior to a simple comparison of price and value because it is computed from an analysis of projected price appreciation 3 years out, AAA corporate bond rates, and risk. Safety: relative safety RS Poor's is an indicator of risk. DFFN has an RS of 0.59, which is poor on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RS is computed from an analysis of the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance, debt-to-equity ratio, sales volume, business longevity, price volatility, and other factors. Timing: relative timing RT vary GOODRT analyzes a stock's price trend. DFFN has a relative timing of 1.27, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. RT is computed from an analysis of the direction, magnitude, and dynamics of a stock's price movements day over day, week over week, quarter over quarter, and year over year. If a trend dissipates, RT will gravitate toward 1.00. Overall rating: value safety timing VST FAIRVST is the master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. DFFN has a VST rating of 0.91, which is fair on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. VST is computed from the square root of a weighted sum of the squares of RV, RS, and RT. Stocks with the highest VST ratings have the best combinations of value, safety, and timing. Stop price: 0.99 stop is an indicator of when to sell a position. DFFN has a stop of 99 cents per share. A stock's stop is computed from a 13-week moving average of its closing prices and is fine-tuned according to the stock's fundamentals. CI Comfort Index Very Good C is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and/or lengthy price declines. DFFN has a PSI of 1.25, which is very good on a scale of 0.00 to 2.00. PSI is based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. GRT, earnings growth rate. GRT reflects a company's 1 to 3 year forecasted earnings growth rate in percent per year. DFFN has a forecasted earnings growth rate of 8.00%, which VectorVest considers to be good. EPS, earnings per share. EPS stands for leading 12 months earnings per share. DFFN has a forecasted EPS of -23 cents per share. VectorVest determines this forecast from a combination of recent earnings performance and traditional fiscal and/or calendar year earnings forecasts. PE, price to earnings ratio. PE shows the dollars required to buy $1 of earnings. DFFN has a PE of -5.39. The average PE of all the stocks in the VectorVest database is 70.60. A, earnings yield. A reflects earnings per share as a percent of price.